YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Mr. Mitos. Back with another unboxing. So got this in the mail today. This is going to be a start of a new build series. You feel me? So I had the Typhon build series that's still rolling. Got the Rlaarlo build series. I got the what else? The Team Associated 14B build series, and I also got my Creighton 6S EXB. So I got a lot of pieces that I'm juggling in the air right now. So this video, this is one of the latest Amazon releases. You feel me? It's a company that started in 2022 that hit the scene running. So if you go into your local hobby shop, and maybe a lot of guys don't even know about this brand, but if you go online on YouTube, there's a ton of videos about this. Came out a couple months ago. I decided to go this route with it. Knowing me, we're gonna look at this together. So for those, you know, are not into the Amazon cards, you may want to get off the page right now. But for those who want to see it, stick around. So been doing my homework. Check this out, guys. This is your, here we go, our Rlaarlo Omni Terminator. Check it out. Let me see what we got here. Is it upside down? Whoops. There it is right there. This is the not ready to run model. So this is the not ready to run. So let me go ahead and open it up. Looks like these tabs have been open already. Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, wait a second. Look at that, you guys see this been open? These is open. This is flap 2. So we're gonna open this together. Let me open this. We'll be going back for sure. Something wrong with it. All right, so let's just see. So boom, here's your bag of whatever the hell that come with it. If you guys don't mind, I may go through it on camera. Let's take this out. Here's a tire. Here's one tire. Little bitty things. So that's one. Here's another. So boom. All right, here's 2 more. So in my opinion, tires feel good. I know they're gonna balloon like hell, but yeah, they're vented. They got foam in them. Feel good, but I'm not gonna run these. Not at all. So let me go ahead and take this out the box. Set this over here. So here you have it, guys. Damn, this mug is a lot. Damn, I ain't even in camera. Smaller than I anticipated. Okay. Let me go ahead and get it off this piece of cardboard real quick. Can't go wrong with some Lexan scissors. So bam. Bam. Lift that off. Let's take this body off. And then I'm gonna change my camera view so we can take a look at it. You guys, what's really going on? Okay. I'm I'm gonna change my camera view so we can take a look at it a little closer. Give me 1 second. All right, you guys. So I went ahead and pulled the camera down so we can take a look at this a little closer. And you guys check it out. Look at the shock towers is 70, 75 aluminum. You feel me? Even the, I think the chassis is 60, 61, I believe. But look at the design on it, that's pretty dope. It's called a Terminator, but it looks like a Predator with raptor claws. You know, I don't know. But this is the carbon fiber version. So you see the carbon fiber hits on the arms, and in the center brace, it's carbon fiber. This is actually smaller than I anticipated. I thought it was gonna be along the lines of a granite. So I do have a granite here, guys. So hold on, let me see this real quick. So I brought a granite that, check this out. Let me adjust the camera really quick. Pull this back. So you can look at the body size, the size of a granite. See if I can get a better comparison here really quick. Push this way. And then, so we do wheel hub to hub. It's a little smaller. So when they say mini 10 scale, I can see where they say mini 10 scale. You feel me? It's a tad bit smaller. Let me go ahead and throw this body on here real quick. Where's the front? At the front. So if I was to put the wheels on it, damn, it's like the view ain't showing it. Okay, let me take the body off the granite. Give me 1 second, let me pull this closer. Let me take this off. All right. So first off, so we just pull it. Damn, that's my dirty. Try to pull these in the camera at the same size, so you guys can see. It's pretty. It's a big difference. I mean, it's noticeable. You feel me? Probably can set this inside of here. So if I can set this on the side real quick. Stay. Oh, it's not gonna stay. But you guys get my drift. It's just a little bit smaller. For those who own a granite, it's just a little bit smaller. I'm over here doing way too much. You gotta excuse me. Trying to do all this from behind the damn camera. So here's the body. So this should just fit right over it. So boom. There you go. It just shows you how much smaller it is. Look at that. But yeah, my opinion of this bad boy. Let's get this camera back up. Pull this to the side. This feels rigid, like the granite, if not more. It feels very well built, like it has everything you want in a bashing RC and more. So, I mean, it even has a light in the front, you feel me? Aluminum shocks, I mean, not aluminum shocks. Yeah, aluminum shocks, oil filled. You know what I'm saying? None of that plastic junk. You got shock caps, 70, 75 shock towers, carbon fiber brace. You know what I'm saying? And then you even swing around on the side. This motor mount is for a 36 millimeter can. It's just, it's ready. It's ready. I think Rlaarlo did their thing with this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? And so what I did was I went after this model for a specific reason of not having to swap out things that come with the ready to runs. With the ready to runs, you had 2 motor options. You had like a 3100 and then like a 20-something, but then you had the carbon fiber version, and then you had the non-carbon fiber version, and they had differences with the diff metals and the bodies, and there's no carbon fiber. With the difference of about 30-40 bucks, you know, you can choose which one you wanted. Where the carbon fiber ready to run, you know, would have taken a couple weeks to get here, whereas the cheaper version, the non-carbon fiber version, you can have that in a couple days from Amazon. I decided to run with this one and place an order for all of the hop-up parts through Rlaarlo.com. So what I do have coming is a 17 millimeter hex hubs conversion, the front and rear hubs, the upper A-arms, the metal A-arms. I have the spool, the 33 tooth spool, the 40 series motor mount. Also have the diff cups coming as well. So the diff cups and the a few more parts coming. So I decided to go ahead and go that route with it and make it a series and build it up, man. Honestly, I haven't seen any videos on YouTube with a fully built Rlaarlo Omni Terminator. I'm sure it's coming, you know what I'm saying? But I want to go ahead and give it a shot, you feel me? The power plant that I plan on putting in here that I wanted to decide on is either a Castle Creations Copperhead 10, or a Max 10, or a Max 8, or Copperhead 8. So if I do a Max 10, I believe the Max 10 can fit here, and the Copperhead 8 can fit here. But if Copperhead 10 can fit here. If I go Copperhead 8 or a Max 8, I may have to move it up here. That is an option, and place the ESC on the top of the center brace. So with that being said, it just depends. I think with the motor that I do have, so right now I have a 2200 kV Mamba Monster X that I can put in here, and I may test fit it just to see how long the can is compared to the space that's here. And if I have to, I may have to remove this receiver box and just run with the servo underneath, and then just put the receiver probably over here or somewhere. So yeah, so this is the video, guys. So just stay tuned. I just put this out here so you guys let you guys know that this is coming to the channel. So just stay tuned. So whenever those parts get here, you know, I'll shoot another video when they get in, and then you guys get to see me, you know what I'm saying, put this bad boy together, dial it in, and go bash it, you know. And then inside the bag, oh, and with the tires itself, let me swing this around. With that 17 mil hex conversion, I'm not gonna be able to run these at all. So I'm looking at some Power Hobby, my bad. Power Hobby 2.8 tires, belted. Probably MTs or all terrains. Something, I'm gonna grab some of those. You feel me? And then put those on here as well. Make it a pure build series. In the bag, we got a couple goodies. We got a wheelie bar, some battery straps. It looks like some gaskets, some tools. Yeah, so as the build goes on, I'll go ahead and bust this open so you guys can see that too. And get this bad boy painted up, put that color flip. I may go with a gray with a color flip on it to match the arms and the gray that's on it. You know what I'm saying? So to be continued, guys. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. In my latest video, I announced the giveaway, so go check that video out. Enter into the giveaway. You know, follow the instructions to do so. June 14th, I will be picking a winner. You know what I'm saying? So just another introduction to another build, guys, coming to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. Mitos, and I'm out. God bless. Peace.